Imagine you are about to head out for a busy day. You turn the key and your car either refuses to start or just stalls out immediately after you get moving. If you have hooked up a scanner and seen the diagnostic trouble code P0667, your car is essentially telling you that its brain is worried about getting too hot. This is a generic powertrain code that has been around since 1996, and it can show up on almost any modern vehicle like a Mazda, Honda, or Ford. It is all about the internal temperature sensor circuit inside your control modules, which could be your power control module, your engine control module, or your transmission control module. In many cars, these are all combined into one single unit that acts as the main brain. The whole purpose of this circuit is to keep a close watch on the temperatures inside these expensive electronic modules to make sure they do not cook themselves. When the computer detects an electrical signal that is outside of the normal range, it triggers that annoying check engine light or a transmission warning lamp. This is not a code you want to ignore because the severity can range from a simple warning light to a car that leaves you stranded on the side of the road. You might notice your transmission is shifting weirdly or your engine is just acting completely unpredictable. Most of the time, the problem is not the computer itself failing, but rather something like a corroded connector, a loose ground strap, or even a wire that has rubbed through its insulation. Before you go out and spend a lot of money on a new module, you should always check for any technical service bulletins for your specific year and model because there might be a known fix that saves you a massive headache. You will want to get in there and do a really thorough visual inspection of the wiring and the ground straps for any signs of burning or rubbing. Grab a digital volt ohm meter and check the voltages because most of these modules expect about 9 volts of reference voltage. If you find zero continuity during your testing, you have found a break in the circuit that needs to be repaired. Taking the time to clean out any green corrosion from the connectors can often solve the issue without needing to replace any expensive parts.